This video is totally out of the blue, but today I thought I'll share my hair and beard care routine. My hair has dandruff as well as a combination of dry skin, so I need to be extremely cautious. To treat the dandruff aspect, I use the shampoo named Scalpy, plus I use it once or twice a week depending on my dandruff flare-up. Since I take a shower daily, I also wash my hair with regular water every freaking day, and that's kinda obvious. The shampooing of my hair, I make sure that I do not overdo it, which leads to the eventual buildup of dry skin. To address the hair aspect, I shower daily and I shampoo my goddamn hair 1 to twice a week with the goddamn shampoo named Scalp E+. The Scalp E shampoo has the ingredients named ketoconazole and zinc pyridine, which has the roster of effects and benefits, just to name a few, and I do not want to deep dive into these ingredients. Spoiler alert folks, I do not oil my frickin' scalp because it leads to the flare-up of the dandruff, aka the malassezia fungus, and I'm not gonna dive deep into it. In simple words, oil is a goddamn food to the malassezia fungus that freely lives in your goddamn scalp, and when you apply oils like coconut oils, castor oils, they feed up and become the Hulk.
This might be a sign to lawyer up.
In the past, I have tried oiling my scalp, aka chumpy, with oils such as coconut oil, castor oil, and neem oil, but nonetheless, it leads to the flare-up of my goddamn dandruff, so I completely avoid oiling my goddamn scalp. I don't use hair serums, I do not use hair wax, and I do not use any fancy products like minoxidil on my goddamn scalp. I know I'm balding, but I don't give a shit, okay? People shit their goddamn pants and freak out when they go bald, no cap, but this is exactly how I want it to look, and it is what it is. Now coming to my beard, I do oil my freaking beard every single day with a regular ass coconut oil, and it's kind of surprising because I oil my scalp, dandruff flares up, and if I do not oil my freaking beard, my beard gets dry. It's freaking crazy. I haven't trimmed my beard in the past 1.5 years. I don't apply beard wax, I do not apply beard oils, I do not apply beard shampoo. The only thing I use is a regular freaking soap named Khadi Natural. I hope you can see the picture of the goddamn soap, and I wash my beard with it. I soapy and wash it with regular freaking water, and that's it. In simple words, I wash my freaking beard every single day with the goddamn soap named Khadi Naturals, period. Spoiler alert folks, I have not used products like minoxidil or beard balm to grow this freaking beard. It's all genetic. Exercise, good sleep, and a good diet definitely helps, but it is mostly genetic. But for the beard, I do this one unique step that most of the beard care routines do not address. I cut off the split ends. Cutting off the split ends of the goddamn beard is crucial to avoid the tangling. All you need is a simple metal scissor. You pull the strand out, feel for the split end, and cut it off. As simple as that. So I hope you found my hair and beard care routine helpful. To conclude, it's okay to go bald. It's okay to not have a beard because it's mostly genetic and you cannot do much about it. And sorry for the background noises folks, it's just the hens and cocks enjoying their freaking lives. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते